The BMW X7 2024 is not just a luxury SUV, it's redefining what luxury really means on four wheels. In the ever-growing luxury SUV market, we're witnessing a new era of opulence, and the BMW X7 2024 is right at the forefront of it. With its lavish amenities, sleek design, and unparalleled performance, this behemoth of a vehicle is set to shake the very foundations of the automotive industry. From bespoke interior trims to cutting-edge infotainment systems, the X7 is a masterclass in luxury on four wheels. And as we delve deeper into this behemoth, we'll explore whether it truly has what it takes to be crowned the ultimate luxury SUV. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a step back and look at the manufacturer behind this masterpiece, BMW. The Bavarian marque has long been synonymous with performance, precision, and innovation, with a storied history that spans over a century. From its humble beginnings in World War I to its current status as a global powerhouse, BMW has consistently pushed the boundaries of what's possible on four wheels. And with the X7, the manufacturer has taken its bespoke approach to luxury to new heights. Since its inception in 2018, the X7 has undergone significant transformations, each one aimed at refining the formula and elevating the luxury SUV experience. And with the 2024 model, BMW has gone all out to create a truly unparalleled driving experience. Moving on, it's time to talk Turkey, or rather, the key features that make the BMW X7 2024 tick. From its imposing exterior design to its sumptuous interior, this SUV is a feast for the senses. With its adaptive LED headlights, 22-inch alloy wheels, and panoramic glass roof, the X7 exudes opulence and sophistication. Under the hood, the X7 2024 boasts a potent 4.4-liter V8 engine, churning out a staggering 456 horsepower and 479 pound-feet of torque. And with its 8-speed automatic transmission and all-wheel drive system, this SUV can effortlessly tackle even the most challenging terrain. Inside, the X7 is a haven of luxury, complete with premium leather upholstery, ambient lighting, and a stunning 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system. And with its 5-zone climate control, rear seat entertainment system, and plush rear seats, this SUV is the epitome of comfort on four wheels. But it's not just about the features, it's about the experience. Whether you're cruising down the highway or tackling twisty mountain roads, the X7 2024 is a masterclass in refinement, with its adaptive suspension and precision steering making every drive an absolute joy. Of course, there are some drawbacks. The X7's imposing size, for one, can make it a tad tricky to maneuver in tight spaces. And let's be real, the fuel economy leaves a lot to be desired. But for those willing to overlook these minor flaws, the X7 offers an unparalleled driving experience. So, how does the X7 2024 stack up against its rivals? Well, when pitted against the likes of the Mercedes-Benz GLS and Audi Q8, the BMW X7 holds its own remarkably well. While each of these SUVs has its strengths and weaknesses, the X7's unique blend of performance, luxury, and technology sets it apart from the competition. I've had the privilege of spending some quality time with the X7 2024, and I can confidently say that it's an experience unlike any other. From its commanding presence on the road to its sumptuous interior, this SUV truly feels like a private luxury lounge on wheels. But don't just take my word for it. After spending a week with the X7, I can attest that it's an absolute game changer. Whether you're ferrying around family and friends, or simply enjoying some alone time on the open road, the X7 is the perfect companion. In conclusion, the BMW X7 2024 is an absolute masterclass in luxury SUV design. With its unparalleled performance, sumptuous interior, and cutting-edge technology, this SUV is an absolute must-have for anyone seeking the ultimate driving experience. And While it may have its flaws, the X7 is an absolute triumph that sets a new benchmark for the industry. Rating? A resounding 9.5 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it's damn close. If you're looking for more luxury SUV goodness, be sure to check out my review of the Range Rover SV Autobiography. It's a real treat. And as always, let me know what you think of the BMW X7 2024 in the comments section below.